foods that fight cancer. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Dark, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in antioxidants and other compounds that have been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. 2. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are high in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which may help protect against cancer. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds called glucosinolates, which may help prevent cancer. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that people who eat more garlic have a lower risk of certain types of cancer. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which may help protect against cancer. It's important to note that while these foods may have cancer-fighting properties, they should not be relied upon as a sole treatment for cancer. If you have concerns about cancer, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you don't like it, please dislike.
Don't forget subscribe my channel and press the bell button.